So now let's see how we can work around with layer boundaries inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have this particular file right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and create a new layer. And over here by default the layer boundary is 1920 by 1080, and that is the full SD size, which is the total width and height of this particular project. But what I can do is I can go around and change it out to, let's say for example, 400 by 400 pixels right here, or I can go around and choose some other value as well and press OK. So once I do that, what happens is that I get this, as you can see. So this is the layer boundary. So I can go around over here and then work around with this. So let me just go around over here, and then if I were to, let's say for example, take some color right here, I can go around and take my paintbrush, and then this is what I have, as you can see. So I can go around and draw around, and whatever I draw, you can see that it stays within the layer boundary right here. So that is what you have. Let me just go around over here, and you can see that I can move around the layer to wherever I want. So what I can also do is I can expand out the layer boundary right here. So I can go around onto layer right here, and then I can go around onto layer boundary size just like this. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and type in 600 by 600 right here just like this. And then what happens is that I can go around and expand out the layer boundary right here. I can resize this out, and this is what I have. So I can go around over here, and then you can see that I have the expanded layer boundary just like this. So you can also go around over here onto layer right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that there's the layer boundary size right here, and then you can see this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around onto, let's say for example, view right here, and I can also disable the layer boundary. This does not actually go around and remove the layer boundary. It is still there. It does not paint outside of the layer boundary, as you can see right here, but you don't see it. So to not have this confusion, you can go around onto view and show the layer boundary just like this. And that is how you can work around with layer boundary option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.